Happy Monday, lovelies. So, as I said, it is Monday. I feel so tired today. I'm getting ready to go and meet a friend today. She's going to get her piercing done. So that was Amanda last week. My friend's going today, and my sister's going with one of her friends. So we'll probably cross paths along the way. And I'm going to get my other side done whenever this one is totally healed. So yeah, we're going to go and have some lunch, maybe pot around town a wee bit. But I need to do something with this ridiculous hair before I go anywhere. So I hope you guys had a great weekend. Are you doing anything over the summer? Let me know in the comment section below. So I'm back at Besties and my friend is upstairs waiting on her turn to get her anxiety piercing done. I swear I'm bringing so many people here, it's Gladys. How nuts is this? The machine here. You can choose, like here's the 7-Up. And it has the different flavours. So let's choose strawberry. Oh, that's Milligan. I actually really don't like this one. I don't think there's any strawberry flavour in it. It just tastes like fizzy water. I don't like that. So let's see. We have club. What flavours do we have? So you can get lime, cherry, vanilla and strawberry in any of these things. So let's go back. Pepsi, lime, cherry, vanilla and strawberry. I've had the strawberry, it's really nice. So let's try. No, do you know what we'll do? We'll go back, we'll go to the club, and we'll try strawberry club orange. I really taste the strawberry in that. It's nice though. Definitely doesn't taste like normal club orange. I don't really drink fizzy juices anymore, so this is very, very weird for me. But it's nice. I could spend ages looking through all the different face masks. Have you used these ones where you have to mix in with the actual mask? I haven't used them, I don't know about them. I love the simple masks, but they're £3 each. I always try and get them whenever they're on offer. But you know, it's been a long time since I tried anything from Neutrogena, but look at these ones. They're £3.50 each or two for £4. So you've got the ageless boost and the purifying booster, so that wouldn't be bad to try. Anti-pollution. I didn't notice that. I like that it's SPF 25. I need new foundation. I need to sort that out. I haven't used foundation in a while. I've just been using the Jerome Alexander powder. But I need something for proper coverage. Have you tried this? Let me know what you think if you have, because I'm looking for new foundation. I like that it's SPF 25. Always make sure there's SPF in my moisturiser and my foundations. Hello my loves, it is Wednesday and a really, really busy day yesterday. I started at 10 and finished at 8. I don't even think I vlogged at all yesterday because I didn't stop the whole day long. I think I vlogged a wee bit in Tesco's, not in nature, but just a bit. So working, started at 12. It's first client's not well, so she's not coming in today. So I'm working to 8 again today, but then only 4 tomorrow. So that's not too bad. So I'm just over at the chemist here to pick up a couple of things for an out of toilet roll, fun stuff. So I'll have a look and see what offers and stuff they have on in here at the minute. So let's have a nosy. Lashing down again. This weather is crazy. I don't know when I've experienced July just as wet as this has been so far. And we're supposed to have a lot of thunderstorms starting from tonight, which is Wednesday the 10th. So that'll not be fun. I absolutely hate thunder. Please tell me I'm not the only one that absolutely hates thunder as much as I do. Anyway, I'm quite out of breath and there's people giving me funny looks, so I'll chat in a bit. So many people ask me what it's like here on the 11th. They hear about bonfires, they hear about what we do around the 12th of July. It's the whole Protestant thing, and I thought I would show you. This is what the bonfire looks like before it is lit. So it gets lit tomorrow night, quite late. I think it's 11 o'clock they get lit at. So this is the area that I live in. This is what the bonfire looks like the night before it's lit. It's all prepped and everything. They have a mini one going. So let's turn around and see. So as you can see, here's a wee mini one built and lit tonight. But here is what the main one looks like. As you can see, compared to these wee tiny people here, it's quite tall. So this whole area will be littered with so many people tomorrow night, drinking, partying, having fun. And that's just what it's like at this time of the year. It's what we like to call the silly season, where everybody gets drunk and falls all over the place. Not my cup of tea. So I'll look out my bedroom window, which I can see, as you've maybe seen from pictures and things on my Instagram, my view. I'll see the fire from there, and that's as close as I want to get. It's not really my cup of tea anymore now that I'm grown up. But anyway, so that's what the bonfire looks like for my area. And also it absolutely stinks already. We spend a few days where all you can smell is smoke. Not fun, not fun, not for the people who have bad chests and things. It's not a good combination. So it's 5:30 in the morning and it's Thursday. Our final day before a few days off, but I can't sleep, so I'm on the sofa snuggling with the kitty cat. She's giving me dirty looks right now. Check this out. Hi, Marmy. Cats are so serious. Look at that wee mushy face. Oh, oh, Marmy. Look at her wee lips. Look at those wee lips. That's so cute. That's so cute. Look at them. Your wee face. She has a habit of rubbing her face on the ground outside, and then this happens. But you're so beautiful. Mommy loves you. How cute is her wee thing? How cute are these? Like, seriously, if you look, there's a wee paw print and everything on it with her name, and all those wee paw prints there. I'll link below where I got them made. It's a girl I know online. She makes them. I have one for Jack's, and I still have Willow's as well. They're cute. Adorables, just like her. Oh, Marmee. Look at those sweet paws. Why are cat's paws so cute? Oh, so kindness. Hello, so it is Thursday. I have been busy all day. It is 5:30. I'm finished work, as you can see. I'm in my usual place. That's me finished. I'm closed now for a couple of days. It's the 12th of July holidays here in the UK. And I'm off next Tuesday because I'm off to Market Day in Portaferry, which I go to every year with my family. So yeah, I'm looking forward to a few days down. Clearly what I meant was a few down days, but you know, a few days down, a few down days, what's the difference? So I have a few videos I want to film, so I'll probably do those tomorrow, and then get some videos edited and uploaded ready for publishing over the next couple of weeks. I have a couple of videos already filmed that need to be edited, and apart from that, not a lot happening. I haven't uploaded the vlog from last week yet, so my vlogs are going to be like a week behind, just with commitments, and I posted a different video last week, so I just think it works out better if I do it like this. I have to be honest, I am really done in at the minute. I have worked so many hours. We're so busy at the minute, and we are hopefully going to have basically a junior beautician starting with us in a couple of weeks, and I'm so glad because I really want to take a bit of time for myself and, you know, dedicate more time to being able to do my videos and edit them and get all the admin stuff done for work. But at the minute I'm working a lot of long days. I'm working Wednesdays, which for so long I didn't actually do, but we're that busy that I really need to. So I am done in. My pain levels aren't horrendous, but they're up there. This is wrecking my shoulder at the minute. I'm holding it in the side that has my nerve damage. You can kind of see the bulge there, but it's more the sleep. I am so exhausted. I'm not even getting to sleep properly, and it's just a very, I don't know, it's like my body's just beyond tired, my mind is beyond tired. So it just goes, haha, just kidding, you're not going to get any sleep, why would we let you do that? So I'm hoping I get some rest over the next few days, because I know what happens if I don't get myself some rest. I'll get to the stage where I'll be so done in, I'll end up having to take more time off work, and can't really be coping with that idea either. So this is the downside to sort of running your own business and trying to do other things. For so long I kind of just worked and slept and worked and slept and didn't really do a lot else. But I need something else now. I can't just be doing that. Mentally I need other things, because it's just too much. Let me turn back. So yeah, I needed a wee bit of a hobby again, so that's why I started doing my videos again. I've chosen a time where there's loads of people about, so that's not really good. But yeah, I just needed something for my own state of mind to get me away from everything, and doing the blogging and going to events and stuff has been really good. So I'm not sort of just working, eating and sleeping anymore. I do have hobbies, I do have things I'm getting to do, which is much better. But it doesn't mean it's easy. There is times where I've committed to something that I wish I could just cancel, but I push myself through and I go to it, and I'm glad I go to it, and then I just try and rest more after. But it is one of those things, it's all about knowing your limits and knowing when you can push through it and when you really shouldn't. To get out of there, you know, for the most part I think one of the hardest things living like this is just accepting that this is what it is, and that you don't have to be able to do everything. that it is okay if you can't do things, and you don't need to judge yourself on what other people can do and what you can't do. Celebrate the achievements that you do have. I mean, look at me. Look at 6 years ago when I first started my channel, and the difference in the videos from then to now. How so many of them were me in bed crying because I was in so much pain, whereas now I'm working, I'm out and about, I'm walking the dog all the time, and you know, I have to celebrate the fact that I am on my feet. Yes, not as well as we would hope our lives would be, but it's definitely much better than it was before, and we have to appreciate that. We have to celebrate that and not dwell on the bad side of it, you know, not dwell on the things that we can't do anymore, and just enjoy what we can. I mean, it all goes in with the whole grieving for yourself thing, where you have to just get over what you've lost and move on. Fortunately, that's not always easy, but anyway, I am quite out of breath and my arm is getting sore real soon. It's getting lower and lower, but I'll chat to you guys later. So I haven't had the best night pain wise, so today's pretty much a down day for me. I have a few things I want to do later, but for now I'm just gonna chill. I'm just gonna lie here and just relax. And hopefully tomorrow will be a better day. I'm off for a few days, so yeah, my brain's not even functioning this morning. It's definitely one of those days where I just need to switch off, just chill. Wanted to sort some more of my room. I'm really getting the organisation and stuff of my desk and making it up as an office for work stuff as well as blogging and things. Finally getting my ass in gear with all of that. But I think today's just gonna have to be a relaxing day. Yeah. As I said, I've worked that many hours that this is what happens. You push through and you push through and you push through, and then your first time that you actually get a wee bit of time off, your body goes, right, that's it. We're shutting down for the day. We're just chilling. Nothing's happening. You're not going anywhere. So just relax. Just chill. Don't do anything. So that's me today. So, yeah, that's the height of it. Anyway, I'm going to sign off this vlog, I think, because it's just going to be me lying on the sofa all day. So I will see you guys next week. I'm going to take you with me. I think I'm meeting a friend on Monday, and then on Tuesday I'm going to Portaferry all day, so I will take you with me. I'll maybe do a separate vlog for Portaferry because it'll be a long one. I don't know, we'll see. Anyway guys, I love you. Thank you so much for watching my vlogs. If you've got to the end of this, put in the comments, I can't believe that cat did that. That's our weekly comment. Love you guys.